Hey friends, today we are going to watch few more examples on linear equations. If you haven't watched my previous video, please watch it. I'll provide the link in the description below. That might help you in solving the easy problems. So let's look at the linear equation problems. So let's try solving this one today. With 15x plus 17y equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y equal to 11. So our rule says like we need to make the variable same along with its coefficient. So it can be x or it can be y. So if I want to make them same, I can multiply this equation with 17 or the second equation by 15 to make the x same. Or what else can I do is I can multiply the first equation with 15 and second with 17 just to make them same. So now let's try doing with the first method. So what I'll do is I'll multiply this first equation by 17. We just multiply with the opposite numbers. So multiplying with 17 gives you 17 into 15 is 255, with 17 into 17 is 289, and 17 into 21 is 357. And we'll multiply the second equation with 15. So multiplying with 15 with this equation will give you 15 into 17 is 255, 15 into 15 is 225, and 15 into 11 is 165. So now if you look with this equation 3 and 4, you'll see you have x with the coefficient as 255. So x has the numbers 255, which is same. Now what the rule says is if they have same signs, you need to subtract them. So you can subtract equation 3 and 4. So what we'll do is we'll subtract this. 255 minus 255 is 0x. 289 minus 225 is 64y. And 357 minus 165, 357 minus 165, which gives you 192. So what I'll do is I'll get 64y equal to 192. So I'll just find the value of y. So what I'll do is y equal to 192 divided by 64. So when I divide it by 64, I'll get the value as 3. So the value of y is 3. So now put it in any equation. It can be equation 1, 2, 3 or 4. So putting it in equation 2, we just solve this and I'll get the value as x equal to -2.